What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some brand new 2024 NASCAR diecast releases to go over. We got a few in that box, one out of the box already. We'll go ahead and take a look at it first. It's the Cam Waters number 60 for RFK Racing. BuildSubmarines.com. So this is Cam Waters, my first ever Cam Waters diecast in the collection. I'm pretty sure it's his first NASCAR diecast. Could be wrong, but it's got to be one of the first. I mean, the RFK number 60, part-time ride last year, full-time this year with Priest. But that's the first one. So now, out of the box, let's see, take them out one at a time. Let's see what this one is right here. Okay, so it's the Thad Moffett, number 46. Petty 75 years of racing, throwback, truck series diecast. This is a gorgeous diecast. Really good looking, number 46, Chevrolet. Gorgeous. Glad to get more trucks in the collection there. So on to the next. Let's see if I can get it out here. We've got the Chase Elliott number 9, NAPA Auto Parts, Children Healthcare of Atlanta, 2024 Chevrolet. Part of the playoffs, part of the round of 16 at Atlanta. Got to see this sucker in person. Really cool, really nice design. Always a good cause. Every year they let someone do this. And I was happy to cheer it on and get the merch behind it. Hat, shirt, and now the diecast. Pretty cool. We'll keep this one to the side because I got a story coming up, I guess, about it. I'm gonna save one for last. And bring out this one right here. Get the box out of the way, the pack and painus. Because this is the Kyle Larson number 17, HendrickCars.com Xfinity Series COTA win. So that was one of the all-timers there in the Xfinity Series. Everybody beating, banging. Larson steals it, as he's one to do for his wins. But I like the scheme nonetheless. Of course, I'm waiting for that Chase Elliott Charlotte win from this scheme. But this will have to do for now. The COTA win. And then last but not least, I wanted to save it, is the late model Chase Elliott 2024 Freight Racing number 9. The reason I wanted to save this is, one, I got to see this race in person again at Hickory Motor Speedway for the second year in a row. And what I wanted to do was take it out of the box and compare it to 2023's version, because I got to see both and enjoy them on track. All right, so here we are, the 2024 version. Got to see it at Hickory Motor Speedway. Unfortunately, the autograph session with the drivers got rained out. Couldn't do it again, although I did 2023. And even more bad news, right when he took the lead of the race, his engine just, boom, puffed up, gave out on him, and he retired early. But let's bring in the 2023 version of the car. And we'll look. The biggest difference is the Freight Auctions logo on the front there. And on the side, it changed from Freight Auctions to Freight Racing. And then ChaseElliottStore.com on both, where I get a lot of merch. Shout out to them. So there they are. hopefully he keeps coming back to these local tracks in this late model. I'd love to keep getting a chance to meet him and get autographs if it doesn't rain or storm like it did this previous time. But that'll do it. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking this one out.